Kubonakala ngathi uGosi uzokwazi ukulwela iphozishini yakhe this season ku-Sundowns. URonwen Williams une-competition e-serious-ke bafowethu. Sobona ukuthi uGosi, cause siyazi ukuthi uGosi khona la bazomnika khona i-chance ukuthi naye akwazi ukuvimba laphana. They can't just keep going ngoRonwen Williams cause if u-goalkeeper bakukora almost every game, kubonakala ngathi lapho-ke i-team izoba ne-problem e-serious cause kumele kube ne-trust laphana emuva. UWilliams, for me, is one of our greatest keepers ever, man. Kubo goalkeeper nje engeke ngababukela, but-ke unamaphutha wakhe. Uma ubheka like indlela aconsider ngayo, consider la kungamele aconsider khona. Bamshaya kuma-tight angle, bamshaya kumabhola angathi a-easy. Uyakushayela ama-saves angathi a-good naye uWilliams, I don't wanna lie. But-ke kuningi angakwenza laphana uWilliams for i-Sundowns. So I feel ukuthi ku-important ukuthi i-Sundowns ikwazi ukunika nabanye o-goalkeeper bafethu i-fair chance against uWilliams. Kungabi guaranteed for yena uWilliams ukuthi uzodlala almost wonke ama-games laphana, no. Kumele kube fair kubo bonke o-goalkeeper, kube fair. Kulapho-ke la abangena khona-ke abanye o-keeper bafowethu abafana nabo-Gosi, and siyazi ukuthi abanye o-keeper laphana ku-Sundowns abanayo i-trust that much kubo, bazoyishiya i-Sundowns. So let's watch and see bafowethu, sibone ukuthi indaba kaGosi izohamba kanjani laphana ku-Sundowns cause siyambona even nalaphana ebhenchini ukuthi no, ngathi uyozoba u-number 2 cause abanye o-goalkeeper laphana ku-Sundowns ubani ngoFebruary ba-linked away from iMamelodi Sundowns. So kubonakala ngathi i-opportunity is presenter kuye uGosi ukuthi indoda nayo opportunity uzoyithatha or ngeke uyithathe. Sikhumbule ukuthi labo goalkeeper laba bowu-2 bakubafana bafana, so it gives uGosi i-opportunity yokuthi abe seduze kwakhe ulona uWilliams, at the same time ambone, abone ukuthi angamshaya kanjani noma ngithi angamhlula kanjani, because there was no reason for i-Sundowns ukubuyisa uRicardo Gosi, but-ke bayabona ukuthi no, uWilliams udinga i-competition, and who's the better competition for yena other than uGosi, cause uGosi ube laphana kuSiwelele, but wazama uGosi ukuba nesizini enhle kakhulu cause even against i-Orlando Pirates sambona eba nama-saves agudi kakhulu. It's not just i-Orlando Pirates, futhi khona namanye ama-matches to be honest okwazile ukuvimba. So sobona ukuthi in a long run uzokwazi ukuba i-number 1 ye-Sundowns. Uneminyaka ewu-32. I mean, if lokho njani oNyango bayakwazi ukuvimba until bafike ko-40 something, why not labadlali laba bakhona? Ngicela ukuzibambela nokwamanje bafethu ngithi danko.